Today in this video, I want to talk about English communication skills. We want to learn English because we want to increase our English communication skills. But if you can speak English, it doesn't ensure that your English communication skills will be increased. I have uploaded a video. In that video, I talked about the differences between language and some other skills, like public speaking skill, presentation skill, and interview skill. So please watch that video. In the description, I have shared the link of that video. So please watch that video. And today in this video, I will talk about more about English communication skills. So if you want to improve your English communication skills, of course you have to know English. Besides, you have to increase your presentation skill and public speaking skill. So what is actually presentation? Presentation is all about organizing your thought and producing your thought or expressing your thought in a very effective way so that your audience or your listeners can understand you, what you want to say. This is very important. So if you know English, but if you don't have the presentation skill, you cannot make a good communication with your audience or your listeners. So in general, we want to learn English because we want to grow in our career, we want to get a better job, we want to go abroad for study or job. So of course you have to increase your presentation skill. So when we want to organize our thought and express our thought in a very effective way, of course we need some vocabulary, some expressions. So I am the native speaker of Bangla. So if I want to give any presentation in Bangla, it will be easier for me because in Bangla I know lots of vocabulary, I know lots of expression. But English is not my native language, so I have some limitation. I know limited vocabulary, limited expressions, so it will be challenging for me to give a presentation in English. I am the student of business background. So in my job interview or in my academic or job presentation, I have to present any topics which are related to business. So I have to know some business-related vocabulary, business-related expressions. I know daily life conversations. I can speak on some very common topics, and I know business-related vocabulary. So now I can do daily life conversation, and I will be able to present my presentation which are related to business. Okay. So if you are a doctor, for example, if you are a doctor, you need to know some medical vocabulary. If you are a lawyer, you need to know some law-related vocabulary. But I am from business background, so if I want to grow in my career, I don't need medical vocabulary or some vocabulary which are related to law. So you are learning English because you want to grow in your career. So if you can speak English, okay, but if you can't do well in your interview, if you can't well in your presentation, ultimately you won't be able to grow in your career. So you know English, but ultimately it's a matter of sorrow. So today actually I'm making this video just because I want to let you know those things. So please keep those things in your mind. So today in this video, I'm not going to share any presentation tips or public speaking tips. But please keep those things in your mind, that if you can speak English properly, it doesn't ensure that your English communication skills will be increasing. You can speak at home, but you can't speak with some other people, like you cannot speak with your colleague, your boss, your buyers. So ultimately you won't be able to use your English. So if you can speak at home, that's okay, it's good. But day by day, you have to increase your public speaking skill so that you can communicate with your boss, your buyers, and some other people. So that is really important. Because I have some students, they can speak properly, they can speak at home, but when I ask them for give a presentation in front of some audience, they can't. So that's why we should increase our public speaking skill. I'm not talking about you have to speak on the stage in front of 1,000 people. Even when you speak in front of 5 people, 10 people, they could be your boss, your colleague, your friends. This is also public speaking. So I know you all don't want to be a public speaker, so I'm not talking about that. Even you want to make communication with your colleagues, your buyers, your boss, you need public speaking skill, because 5 or 10 people are public also. So that's all about today's video. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you some other day with some other videos. Bye. Take care.